Hi, this is Campus Curiosity TV, and your host Dero. We are here with
Fela.
Yeah. Nice looks, by the way.
Thanks, man.
Okay, so I want to do a drip check.
Yeah.
You comfortable with that?
I'm very comfortable with that.
So we'll start with your coat. How much was your coat?
This my coat was part of my suit. They were complete. And my suit ilikuwa cost 15,000.
15,000.
Yeah.
So unaweza approximate coat yako ni how much?
Hii coat tunaweza ipea 7,000.
7K.
Yeah.
Mad. How about your shirt?
My shirt, hii siwezi danganya, hii si domos, hii ni mtush, hii ni 300.
So tatu, bei ya mali safi. Okay, about your pants?
My pants hizi. Hizi ni 2,000.
2,000.
Yeah.
Longi peke yake.
Yeah.
About your kicks?
Hizi ni 7,000.
7,000. Yeah. So 2,000, 7,000. Hapa chini lower body peke yake ni 9K.
Yeah, 7,900.
Jongelea belt.
Belts. Hii ni a punch.
Yeah. So 95. Yeah, shati umesema ni
300.
So hiyo ni 98. 98 plus 7, you can do the math. Mimi sikufanya hesabu. Sling.
Hii ni cheap. Hii ni sidanganya. Hii ni 300.
So tatu. Yeah. Na tumepiga drip check yako safi. Yeah. Asante, thank you for answering our questions. Actually, what inspired your drip today?
Jidena.
Yeah. Mad. Do you have a hot take?
Hot take ni? Wasimosti dunia tuko delulu. Tuache kuwa delulu.
So to stick to reality.
Yeah.
Okay, stick to reality, guys. Amesema we stick to reality. Sindio?
Yeah.
Okay, sawa, asante.
Yeah.
Fela, sindio? Yeah. Unaweza tupia handles zako follow?
IG nilipata _Fela .254.
_Fela.254. Manze mfike kwa page yake mumshow support. Pia sim to support manze page yetu Campus Curiosity TV. All platforms manze mfike, like, follow, share, subscribe. Hiyo bell i-ring manze, ama ni aje. See you next time.